You guys check out this creaminess. Check out the creaminess in here. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. How's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another video. So today, you guys, I'm just going to start off by getting me a little water, warm water. And yeah, so today's video will be consisting of a cheese bacon mac, okay? Cheese bacon mac. Your girl got 2 packs. And so, yeah, we're going to create us a dish, okay? So if you're ready for this video, you better go and get you a snack and come on back. Okay, so today we have approximately a pound of Angus beef. Well, you know, I tore it up 80% lean. Okay, so we're going to first add some water in here, you guys. And we're going to let that go on and do a thing to thaw it out because our meat is frozen. Okay? Yeah. So we're going to add us some quick seasoning on this meat. You guys, keep an eye on that for me. Because your girl got to reach over here in her seasoned pile. Because this was a sudden video. Okay? So we're going to use us some garlic and herb on this. Right? We're going to use a little garlic and herb. And that's it. I don't know how this, I done lost all my seasons that I done used this week, you guys. Lord, I have to get it together. Gotta get it together. So we're going to go ahead and put us a little more seasoning on that. As soon as I decide which season I'm going to go with. So yeah, we're going to add us a little black pepper. And we're going to use us a little original no salt. And that's what we're seasoning our meat up with. It's those 3 flavors. So we're gonna let this Angus beef thaw its way out. Oops. You guys. You're just gonna let it thaw its way out. You guys, it is 90 degrees, 90 something degrees up here. And I wasn't gonna get in the kitchen. I really wasn't. But then I thought about it, me getting in the car to go anywhere, even though I got air, I'm still going to be hot. So I said, well, I'll just cook something quick, you know. Something that I know hopefully Carter can enjoy. But we're going to go on and let this do a thing. We're going to let this do a thing, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so we got it thawed out. And yeah, I know it's not all the way done. That's because we finna get ready to start this next process. Okay, so yeah, let me reach in here and give me some butter. Oh, guys, did I ask you guys how are you doing today? That's good. These are clean pots if you can see them. But anywho, let's go ahead. And we're going to add our water to this. Right? We're going to add our water. But we're also going to add a half a cup of milk. A half a cup of milk. So let's add our pasta with our cheese sauce. And we're going to get that right on in here and stir it on up. Yes, today was an easy, simple meal. So we have us some cheesy bacon mac. Yes, made easy. So that is what we're cooking. Okay, so now we're going to add our milk. Who else enjoy packages just like that? We picked it up when, you know, everything broke out and people was running for cover. We're going to put us a little spread in there, just like so. It's not going to hurt anything. I think that should be enough. And we'll see you in a minute. You guys, check out this creaminess. Check out the creaminess in here. Oh, come through, Kraft. Oh, I'm sorry, that ain't Kraft. Is it Knott's? Nort's? Okay, well, either way, come through, baby. Come through. I haven't cooked this in years. But I saw those 2 packs in the cabinet. I said, hey, let me share dinner with them. So if this is your first time viewing me, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel. Yes, you don't know how your girl gonna bring the video, but I'm definitely gonna be there. This is a fun one-pan meal. You don't have to mess up all your dishes at all. Yes, this is an easy, delicious meal, affordable meal. You guys, you can't go wrong with this meal right here. Not at all. Not once I add my little touches. Hey, it's gonna be eat it or push it. That's it. That's all. We'll be back. Okay, guys, look at that creaminess right there. But what we're going to do is we're going to add us a little cheese in it. Because your girl got to have her cheddar in there. Okay, so I have a little bit in this bag. So we're just going to sprinkle it just like that. Because we're going to stir this right on in here. Yes, we're going to stir that right on in there and help it with that cheese sauce. You can't go wrong with cheese. I got a cross between my macaroni and cheese and oh, look at this sauce, you guys. Look at that sauce. So, let me taste test this. Because I got to make sure my noodles right. As soon as I get it up off on the fork. Nice, creamy. Okay. So now we're not done. Wait till I plate this, you guys. Oh yeah, now look at that. Now we got us some Kobe cheese, and we just gonna sprinkle some right on in here, just like so. Cause keep in mind, this is a cheesy bacon flavor mac. Okay. So yeah, it's pretty much like a cheeseburger. Okay, so bear with me, you guys. And there we go. So we're going to top that with some lettuce. Just like so. Yeah, looking good, is it not? Okay, so we're going to put us a few tomatoes on here. Why? Because it's mine. It is mine. And there you have it. There you have it. You guys, some delicious cheeseburger mac. You guys, you will enjoy this, I guarantee, because Miss T told you so. So if you're not part of this channel, yeah, please hit that subscribe and come on in and leave a comment and let your girl know how you think of me taking this $1 package and creating it into a perfect meal, you guys. So I'm going to get ready to close this video out. Thank you, and I appreciate all the love and the support that I get. You guys check out other videos. The link will be in the description. And yes, leave a comment so I know where to go. So sending much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.